How to replace the front fork of this electric wheelchair. First, tip the wheelchair backwards until it leans over. Remove the footrest from the wheelchair. Prepare to 19 mm open-end wrenches, one of which should be ultra-thin. First, remove the protective cover from the nut. Use the wrenches to remove the front fork fixing nuts. Then remove the old front fork along with its attached wheel. Before installing the new front fork, install a washer first. Insert the new front fork into the front support tube. Then install another washer. Then use the wrenches to tighten the nuts securely. Put the protective cover back on. Then the replacement is complete.